Hello, I'm Belinda Dickard with Lightfoot Mechanical, and I'm coming to you about the financing options that we offer for the convenience of your home and your pocketbook. This is for electrical. I'll put and plumbing just in case that's what we end up using it for as well. May I get your social? Simple process with name, address, date of birth, social. I am submitting the credit application now. The process can take about 10 to 15 minutes to get a response. When were you looking to try to get the work taken care of? Did you have a particular day in mind or just first availability? We have a variety of options. Are you comfortable with getting your documents sent to you via DocuSign to sign online? If you're looking to have some services taken care of at your home as far as heating, air conditioning, plumbing, electrical, or septic, I would be the person to help you with that. Please give me a call. I'm Belinda Dickard with Lightfoot Mechanical. We're the good guys.